What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so anytime we upload a new video in this channel, you're gonna be notified. So in this video, we're gonna look into how to make money on Owodaily platform, and this platform is strictly to complete micro tasks and be able to make money on a daily basis. So I'm gonna walk you through different features on Owodaily platform and how you can actually work on this platform, of course. So basically, I have an account on this website, and you can see there are a lot of jobs you can actually complete on this website to make money. And the funniest part about this website is that you're gonna be able to make lots of money, probably 1k per day, 2k per day, 500 naira per day. It all depends on how available you are, as you can see on this particular page. So this YouTube job is just by follow instruction. So this particular person need 1,200 people to complete this task, and you see over 758 people have already completed the task. So this is the remaining one, and this task payout is 10 naira per this particular task. So let's say, for example, you complete this task 20 naira, 30 naira, 60 naira, 75, 85, 120, 85, 105. Yeah, I think 115, sorry, 115, 130, 140, 240. You see, there are a lot of tasks here. You can see them, and most of them are not completed yet. You can see this one almost completed, 2,881 out of 2,935. You can see Instagram job, follow my page, not organic followers only. Um, Instagram job, double follow my Instagram. You can see follow Facebook page, follow Twitter account, download and sign up with my code. Then another one is Facebook followers. So you can see there are a lot of tasks you can complete on this particular page. So let me walk you through one particular task so you can see how the inside of the platform. Let's say, for example, this particular one, which is subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is apply. So once you click on apply, you see the inside of the platform. So workers needed is 4,000, workers applied 1,427, and this is job ID. So you scroll down, you see the rule number one. This is the channel 10 tricks logical. So you can see the subscribers currently is 1,000 and 125 based 1,012. So that's like 1,120 thereabout with 18 video. So I'm gonna show you that channel. So you can see, if you scroll down, you see proof required by job poster. Please submit your YouTube channel username or email. So what you just need to do is just submit the email you use while subscribing to the channel. So you can see subscribe to YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, click the start job link to get started. So you can see, if I scroll now, you can see start job. So when I click on start job now, it's gonna show me to start the job, and I'm gonna see the link to subscribe to that channel. So let me try to search manually, basically, or let me try to complete this particular task. Okay, let me do this. Let me start the job. It's open in another page, you can see. So let me start this job.
Sign up for a Money Point business account and get
me off the sound. Then you can see the subscriber have gone up compared to what we have on the. You can see compared to what we have on the screenshot. So it's over 2,000 subscribers currently. If you check on this page, you see 1,120, and the subscribers have changed. So this is really amazing. So the video is how to use your picture as sticker using iPhone. So this is the video, what the video all about. So all you need to do is just subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's say subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So all notification. So what we're gonna do is provide a screenshot to this particular page that we already did the job and it's successful. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this particular page that we have done the job. So let me screen grab this particular page. So and then you can see this subscribed and then the bell icon as well. So let me click on this and let me see the notification. Okay, since I've already done that, let me also check again if there is any link. Click on the start job to get started. I think I already start the job and then submit proof below to verify job completion. Please submit your YouTube channel username or email. So username should be tick this checkbox means you have correctly completed the job above following the instructions. So I already did that. Then choose file to upload multiple screenshots. So I'm gonna just upload one screenshot. Okay. I'm not sure if there's any screenshot required. So what it just needs from us is just our username. So I'm gonna put a username that I used. So I have to blur this. So then I'm gonna click on complete. So then let me click on submit proof. So that is all we need to do. Then you click on submit proof. Then the job has been submitted. The next thing you can see job submission successful from the right bottom here. So it's very easy to complete job on Owodaily platform. But then how can you actually sign up on this Owodaily platform and how to work along on this website? So all you need to do is to click on become a member on this particular page. So click on become a member and you're going to provide your full name, email address, username as well. Then you click on the next section. So after clicking on the next, then you're going to subscribe after that particular page because all daily platform is not free. So they are charging 5,000 naira to become a pro membership of Owodaily platform. And this is the summary of this subscription page. So you can see um, you're gonna pay 5,000 naira per year membership subscription fee and 15,000 naira per year Owodaily subscription. But definitely this is all you need. I guess you only need to pay this 5,000 naira. And I already have my account on Owodaily for over a year now, and it's actually working perfectly, and I don't have any issue with it. So all you need to do is just click on the link in the description below to sign up on Owodaily platform, and then you're gonna start making money on this website. So it's as easy as that. And if you have also watched one of our video regarding freebies platform, you also know that making money on freebies is also possible, and also making money on our daily platform is possible because there are a lot of available jobs on this website, which of course you can just jump into and start making money. And there is a contest, which of course you can also join on our daily, where you can make more money on this website. So it all depends on what exactly you want and how you would like to go about it. Then you can decide on what exactly you need and how to go about it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about Owodaily. Do you think the amount of money to pay to be a membership or a pro membership is actually much, or it's actually quite um uh affordable for everyone who is actually looking for a way to make money online? Because if you check out there, you see a lot of videos about how to make money on Owodaily and other stuff like that, like that, like that. So it all depends on what exactly you want and how you would like to go about it. So let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to use the link in the description of this video to sign up on Owodaily, because we are gonna try to make more video around this platform and how to make money around it, just the way we are doing for freebies platform. I guess we have over 5 or 6 videos around freebies platform and how you can make money on that website. So we're gonna do the same for Owodaily platform as well. So if you are very much interested, I will urge you to sign up on Owodaily platform to start making money using micro tags. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.